This video will demonstrate how to transfer your video files from your camcorder to your computer. This process will take 3 steps. First, you're going to connect your camcorder with the USB cable by connecting it to the inside of your camcorder and then the other end of the USB cable to the front of your USB port on your desktop computer. After the connection has been made, make sure you turn the power on your camcorder. Step 2, your camcorder will by default move to the record mode. You'll need to switch from the record mode to the play mode by pressing the play button on the inside screen of your camcorder. Once your camcorder power is on and you've switched from the record mode to the play mode, you'll see a bubble pop up in the lower right hand corner of your computer. After it finishes connecting, you'll see a window pop up, and one of your options there will say Open Folder to View Files. Go ahead and click the option to Open Folder to View Files. Your camcorder drive will now open in a separate window. On this window you will see a couple different folders. One is for the image files, and the other is for your video files. So click on the folder that says SD Video. Inside your SD Video folder, you'll find a couple of other folders, maybe several, and that'll say Program 01, Program 02. So this is a series of video folders that your camcorder creates automatically. The more video files that you record, the more folders that it'll create inside the camcorder. So for this example, I'm going to open up my very first program folder. When I open that up, again, I'll see a series of different files. These files, one, you'll notice that that'll say MOV001, MOV001. So even though these files have the same name, they're 2 different files. First of all, the plain white file is just the image file that the camcorder uses to create a thumbnail of that particular video. We will not need this file. The second one you can see has a little like video film strip. This is my actual movie file. This is the one that I will want to create. So I'm going to click once on this video file. Again, I don't need the plain white one, but now I can hold on my keyboard. I'm going to press down the Control key and click my second video file. So I want to copy both of these files. Again, I'm looking at my camcorder. These are files on my camcorder. I want to copy those by right-clicking and choosing Copy. And now I'm going to navigate to my Group folder and then into my Project folder. Again, we've learned how important that Project folder is to organize our files. So I'm going to go over here to Videos, and there from Videos I can see I've already created my Group folder, Joe and Jane. I'll open up my Group folder, and now I have all of my project folders already created inside my Group folder. This particular project is the demonstration, so I'm going to open up my demonstration folder, and now I will right-click and choose Paste. What that's doing is it's now transferring the files from my camcorder onto my computer. And again, being I'm making a copy, I'm actually leaving one file on the camcorder, and I'm now copying and moving another file onto my computer. At this point, I would recommend that you disconnect your camcorder cable before you start editing. And the reason is that I want to make sure I'm editing the files from my project and group folder and not editing the files from my camcorder. If I have a USB with some music files on it, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I might take that MP3 file, again make a copy of it, making a copy from my USB drive, and now I'm moving it over to, again, my videos, find my group folder, find my project folder, and then I'm going to paste in that music file, in this case an MP3 file, and I'm placing it inside the same project folder. Again, every resource and every file that I'm going to use for my video project is going to be contained inside my project folder. This video demonstrated how to transfer your video files from your camcorder onto your computer.